Alright, my lovely people, welcome to J Progress Entertainment. And people who know the thing already, no have to ask nobody nothing, and nobody now have to tell you nothing, because you already know how me go to work already. So without further ado, my people, make we mix up the gravy, take the meat off of the bone, and get straight to work, my people. Alright, yesterday I come with a story, my people, right, about a lady who them try to deport back to Jamaica from the UK after spending 52 years in the country. And she came here at 10 years old. You understand? So at the time when they tried that, she was pretty much 62 going on to 63. Sad story, my people, which we get to understand. The lady passed off shortly after she made her first visit back to Jamaica. Oh, tragic. And I tell you people, if you don't watch that story as yet, you go over there. I don't want to tell a lie. I can't even remember if it was on the Guardian. I think it was a story on the Guardian or something like that on YouTube. But people, it was a sad story for me personally, because after so long and then all of the ordeal with this lady got through, right? You see her from the immigration send her the letter. She trying to sort it out. Them detain her till she get released, and then shortly after that she go back to Jamaica after all these years, go visit her family. And I tell you, it was pretty sad, people, you know. For her it was good because she not see her family for such a long time, but it was a sad story in a sense of you not being able to go back home after so long, right? I'm going to say this to you know, people. A lot of times when you see people at England and them don't visit Jamaica, it's because of how expensive things is. Remember, man, the America or wherever I'm there can buy a ticket for like $350, $400 US. When you think about a ticket for Jamaica from the UK, you talk about 12, 13 up to 1,500 pounds. You get what I say? And think about spending that money plus your pocket money plus everything else. It give people a big knock. So a lot of people cannot travel back home because of the money. Period. And people have to understand that. Because me say already, things not so easy over them place here. Right? But people, we are going to go through it and we are going to walk through it. We don't know, but we don't walk with me. But anyway, today, me I have a reason. And me have a reason why me cook one of Jamaican national dish. We don't come with ackee and saltfish, you know. Because that's not really the national dish, you know. If you want to know about the national dish, the national anthem, the national everything in Jamaica, you have to talk about white rice and chicken back, or you talk about white rice and tin mackerel. And today, I have some white rice and tin mackerel me I work with. You hear me I say? Them here where we have wire. Them here. But when they say mackerel and a tin mackerel and in a tin, we call it flash out, it me I work with. So I'm going to try with me right now, my people. So right now, what we are going to do, we could take a little time and get to work with people. Right? So let me get some water in the pot here. And take a little time and get to work. Because you know we do it already, you know. We don't ramp with the thing, you know. So I want to see if we can chef up some food with people. And get on with all I know and see what I want. Because we have some reasoning to do, you know. Yesterday for my reasoning, somebody said something and we want to address that as well. You understand? We want to address that as well, because somebody said a thing to me yesterday. And me I feel said to myself, we're not here to give people wrong information, right? We are all here to learn. And this is what I want my channel to be like. I want if me, J Progress, come and say something wrong, and somebody else within the platform know the right thing, comment and say it. We are all here to learn. I don't want anybody coming over here and getting the wrong information. I would like people come over to my channel and learn something, right? Yesterday we talked about the bringing one of your family member to the UK, which is not a very easy thing. But there is a person in the comment section who say yes, they have bring their mom and I think they say brother or sister to the UK. Which I know that person was lying. Because the way how that person said they bring their parents into the UK, that person was lying. And after that comment, right, I see somebody else come back and comment and make that person know that that's impossible. There is no route for you to do such thing unless that parent is unwell and need your divine attention. They cannot care for themselves like the daily chores or stuff like that, they cannot do it, carry on the daily chores for themselves. So they need attention from whoever is going to bring them into the UK. You get to me? I say, this person say otherwise. But listen, don't come over my channel, come give people wrong information. If I say something wrong and you know the correct thing, come and say it, but please don't mislead the people. You hear me? I say, there was one other thing which I need to address. Because I say, okay, Canada and America, you bring your mother and your kids and whoever. But I was corrected that in Canada, once the child is over 18 or 21, you cannot sponsor the child. Right? But for the mother and whoever and the grandparents, no, Canada have grandparents visa and all these things. Yeah, this is what we want on the platform. People who come and share real knowledge and try to educate somebody over here and educate me too. At the end of the day, that's why people become so raw, you know, me not pretty up nothing, you know. If you can't deal with rawness and the raw truth, it don't make no sense to come over J Progress channel because I don't know how to pretty up nothing. You get to me, I say, and at this me I ask for from the people them. Who no come no man and give some knowledge and make some other people know something what them never know. That's all we are asked for. Me don't want nobody come over the channel and come and then them have the wrong information like say, yeah, I saw the thing go. No man. We cannot do that. And peeps, we not jump about it. Make we go back into this thing, because it was a touchy topic yesterday. Boom. We make it clear that the UK is not an easy place for immigrant. Right? And me use it from the Windrush example. I have learned along the line that in the 80s, the government did make an appeal for people to come and regularize the documents and get them things straight. But a lot of people never do it. We know all people lack a basic and all of them things there. Whether or not they did it, it is not still enough grounds to say all of women can do it, me a deport to no back to Jamaica. No. Because the fact that you can send them letter, you have them on the system to know that these people coming here, right? When Jamaica never did even need no visa to come to England and all them kind of something there. You hear me I say? And you can see that these people never ever even go back to Jamaica. Them not go through the port, them not go through the nowhere to go back to Jamaica. So why you not take them up and send them back to their yard and they never know where them are go? Because they don't know nobody. The Rasta lady which me did about. When that lady go back home, the excitement with that lady have. The excitement with that lady have when the plane got touched down in Jamaica. Make you know how long she did want to go back home and couldn't go back home. Me understand see a lot of the people them you see. A lot of the people them where come here from in them all time days the people. Them come here and them probably never did sort out them passport and them thing there. Because certain things never did need it. But as immigration policies and procedure and everything change, them start require different things. Right? When I saw that Rasta lady head back in Jamaica, and when she see her family then, her mother dead, she couldn't even go her mother funeral. She go lay down upon the grave. She a cry when she see her family then she a cry so much. After so many years, a lot of them she not recognize. She go see grandniece, grandnephew, all kind of something. You hear me I say? Because of how many years. You think it's easy to leave your country for 50 years and never go back? I expect things are going to be the same. You know what changes happen in a 5 years, never mind 10, much less 50? Come on, man. And why you think so many people not go back? Why you think a lot of people only not go back because sometimes they can't afford it as simple as not take it? A whole heap of people they are in England and can't buy a ticket to go back to them yard. Only thing they can do is pay them bills and go back and work day to day. Them never want to take holiday. Remember when me tell you that? Not even holiday them want to take. So me have people, the good old Grace coconut milk. If you know it, you know it. Yeah man, make we do the right thing and chef up. Make me go back. Even another thing when me see up the other day with people. Right now, just for showing. Come March. The UK has made a decision to cut all care worker dependency. So where you could have come to the UK and carry your kids and your partner with you, they might cut off that. The only persons I think will be allowed to do it is if you work with the NHS. But if you work a care woman, this and that and all of that, where you used to come over and carry your dependents them, see them a cut it off there. But at this me I try break down to uno. Them use uno till them no want to no more and then them just discard uno. Look now, them only want you now to come and work and go back home. Them no want your family beside you to come here and live with you. Let me tell you one of the biggest breakdown thing in the UK. The UK does not encourage its citizens to work. You know hear me say? The UK doesn't encourage its citizens to work in this country. Then give them everything free. Benefit this, benefit that. Give them house, give them this, give them that. Them not encourage them to work, and the little immigrant then come and work off them shut and then kill them with tax. And yet still at them I get all of the pressure. And at them thing I may try break down. A lot of people come into the defense yesterday and I say, well, some of you come to England and you alright. You come here good. You probably have no family where they are good and file for you now. You come here good. You know much people have been married to come here. You know much people come here and have to run off. You know much people have to come here just for work sitting. No for you come here good, you know alright. Food no bread butter on the two sides, but everybody not go through the church to the same waters and that nothing know. So when you hear people come and cry out and you hear people come and talk about reality, some of you feel just shut on them out. Because you not go through nothing and people go through real things and face real immigration problem. Then put them on plane and take them off back because them put them on plane wrongfully. The traumatizing experience where them kids have to go through, where them family have to go through. None of you go through nothing. None of you go through nothing. So sometimes you no build and listen reality where people go through in some of them your country. A them thing them here talk about. That's why I say if you no can't manage realness, you just calm yourself. Because I no come here for pretty up nothing. Enough of them people in the UK brought them for no work. Benefit. Take care of them picnic, give them house, give them car, give them everything. When you will pay how much thousands of dollars come here for your application and sitting, and you will come work like you're a dog and pay how much tax and sitting, and you still can't get a house. And first thing, when you come to the UK and spend all of that money coming to the UK, you are not entitled to any public benefit. So anything reach you on your own, no benefit, no extend to you. No matter how much thousands of dollars you pay if you come in this country. And pay how much surcharge and NHS this and way that. Not there for you. As long as you live here till you get indefinite or get passport, you have to pay your way through the UK. And that me I try to tell enough of you. So some of you when they have to pay if you come here. You don't know them thing there. And that this is the problem when you come in the comment and you don't go through nothing at all. Nothing at all you don't go through. But we don't understand say real people there will go through real things and go through real struggle. And at them the people they may come here and explain and tell people say the reality of the UK is them pressure people who come here. Immigrant, whether you come here legal but you have to pay your way in. And as long as you have to the 5-year or the 10-year route, you have to pay your way through the UK every 2 year or 2 year and mash. Believe me when me tell you that anybody who come here, them the way they know exactly what me I talk about. See them now, you know. They might go scrap the biometric permit, you know. So you now go have a biometric permit card no more, you know, people. You hear me I say? You now go have that no more. Everything I go depend on the system now. So anytime them want cancel you out, them just cancel you out. Before you cancel out when your biometric permit expire. But now them cancel you out in the system. Believe me when I tell you that. I don't want nobody go on like say people sometimes they make it look like a really bash. Yeah, bash a certain place. No. A reality me I deal with. That me there for and a lot of people can testify to that. The struggles when them got you in the UK. Trying to be regularized, trying to get status and all of them things there. You know what people get put on plane. We never see all of the protests them we have going at the airport them. We never see how when UK take up how much people say them are deport back. I think them are deport them back to Guyana or something like that. And the government say them nah make the plane land. Because them don't know UK just pack up all of them people that come deport them. And some of these people don't even know the country that they're sending them back to. Because they leave from they were kids. And a damn thing they may try to show you. So which part do they have a life? In Jamaica, in Trinidad, in Bahamas, in Guyana? No. That may try to show no people. You don't have to know them thing I am, man. I want to know about go on like say, yo, when people come and tell you no a thing, I bash them a reality. And that me come here to give. And the immigrant them come and build up the UK when it did broke down. And them come and build up the health system, the construction, the engine, everything. And know that he back in a top farm. And them a get the hardest fight in the country. Believe me. Some jobs, let me tell you this, you can only go so far up to now. Even though them say everything equal out. Up to now, you can only go so far in certain job. You not get manager, you not get this, you not get that. You hear them come out what year with the fire service there, come lick out because of the skin color. Them can't get certain position. You know the police, you know the, come on no man, you don't even want, you can't stay there man. You can't stay there living in one little box. You can't stay there living in one little box. Thousands of dollars people have to pay if you come in a place. Thousands. And you got to pay your way out. Believe me when me tell you, no public benefits you are entitled to until you get an indefinite leave to remain or get a British passport. Remember when me tell you that? So from the day you come here, you have to make sure that you hustle hard. You have to work hard because if you not work hard, when the 2.5 years come and you're ready to go pay spend the 5,000 there, the 4,000 there again. To deal with everything. And every year we go up. You understand what I say? Because watch it now, you know. Let me tell you this. Oh, when you hear me talk, you feel like a some joke thing. Watch it now. We're moving from a threshold of 18,600. Right? And let me share say all them wicked and them not consider it. 18,600. And then move it to 30,000 one year. About 37,000 in a liar, 36. And then when the people them ball and them look and say, no man, we hit them too hard. Then bring it down back to 29,000. And over the years for 2025, it will go back up to 30,000 for the threshold. From 18,600. How much people in the UK in a regular job work 29,000 a year and 30,000 a year? We come here as an immigrant, we have to pay them way in the country, we have to pay them way through everything. You hear me I say? Even though it is combined. You get to me I say, well, you and your partner can do it. You get me? But it is still a struggle. And that me I show you. Suppose you are the hunger one. We have to balance up that the part there. Just cool no man. I will not go tell me say them now go hard on the people them. No stop on the nice here man. That's why I tell you, you see me too, me don't know, me probably too straightforward for some people. So my channel, some people now go like it. But you hear what? Me don't want everybody to like my channel neither. Me want the real people them like my channel. Me want the real people them who want reality and the people them who know say watch no man. A real thing you are talking about, we see it now, we experience it too, you know. Me don't want some little biased people who come sugarcoat the thing and pretty it up. Me not do that something there. Me not do the pretty up part over here, so. Remember that, that's one thing J Progress no do. I don't do the pretty up part. You know? Hold on, the knife is too sharp, you know, just get a smaller knife. Need a smaller knife for peel that squasher. It's a going on my rice, my people. We call it, in a Jamaica, we naturally run some pumpkin rice. Yeah? Pumpkin rice, we run. Anyway, my people, you see with me, because I just cook and talk too, no? So you see with me. This is a different kind of vlog. It's just a reasoning vlog, a reasoning video for you guys today. You know, but we want to reason for real things, my people. You get me? Real things we want to reason with. Watch even that difference here. Let me show you another thing again. You see, when you're in a place like America, and not that I am saying that these countries are necessarily better. Because every country have them ups, every country have them down. So for example, you're in a place like America now. When they come on to them time, yeah, you have a thing with them called name tax return. Right? You can do tax return in the UK, you know, HMRC, you know, right? But guess what? You don't really go see about nothing. A waste of time. But in America, people look for this time. Most people change them car around this time. Most people go on a holiday around this time because of their work out your financial year. Even if you want $500 you get back. In the UK, you don't have nothing to get. You could have worked till you drop, you don't have nothing to get back. Remember me tell you that because I'm going to tell you if them thing correct. You pay the right amount of tax. So what you tell me say, I saw America thing ever wrong for all these years that nobody no pay the right amount of tax, that they can get back tax return? Eh? Them look forward to this money. Them can make a little difference in their life. Eh? Just cool no man. You see? Sometimes, you know, if you take your family to America too, you know, it's probably harder, you know, but they still give that opportunity. Right? Some people confuse me with the Canada thing because some people say if you're over 21 and some people say it's 18. So people, if me wrong, you know, kind of make me know if I really the 18 or the sitting there. Can I tell you this, you know? Me sometimes me able to like go say me I go research certain thing and thing, you know. Me like talk after some experience when me know and when me see and when me get. Because me like bring it real. That's why I say me want it to be this platform here be a place where I can learn things from my viewers. And my viewers can learn things from me. Me no want to come here to come go on like me know it all. I know that me want. Me want to be so real that sometimes me wrong too. And my viewers them correct me. This is the kind of relationship I want with me and my viewers them. Me want to come talk my mind and talk my opinion and then me and my viewers them interact in the comment section. Me can learn a thing or two. Me no want people in the comment section come give misinformation and mislead the people them. Me want people in the comment section who can teach as well and enlighten certain things. Me can learn from you guys as much as how you guys can learn from me. Me no want come be Mr. Know It All. Sorry. I won't be certain other like certain other channel where I go be Mr. Know It All. Me no want that. Me want be real reasonings with my people, them are natural reasonings. Me want to feel like me and uno literally can be there and having a chat. Just uno not there around me, but it come like I sit down and have a reasonings. That's what me want with my people them. You get me? And we want to talk some reality things with people. Them come like them a shy away from. Them shy away from it. The UK hard. Them pressure people. Immigrant get pressure the most. Them use you and discard you. You hear me I say? Them broke the people them feel want to work and get freeness. That is why enough time. I know we are coming up on boat, you know. You hear me I say? I know we are coming up on truck, you know. We have to get visa for coming to England from the Caribbean. So we come in the country illegally. We probably just overstay and would have liked to regularize certain things, get things sorted out, and contribute to society in a positive way. Work hard, pay with tax and live like anybody else. Entitled with certain things and help like anybody else. But guess what? You pay your way in and you have to pay your way in for over 5-10 years. Depending on the route where you get. You know how much people there in England and wish they can go back to their yard. Anyone of the little Caribbean country, them and them something there. Eh? The amount of people. Just cool there, man. We don't even know. We don't even know. We don't even know. Believe me when me tell you that. You know how much man there them place here work hand to mouth? After them pay them bills, they can't say no we out. Eh? Never mind send the money go help them family at Jamaica. Never mind take a holiday. When we can think man from all England I'll be a 5 year and 7 year and 10 year before they go back to their yard. We don't need a man see us money from America every 2 years, every year in the MC. I want to talk about man. The place tough and we can't go around it. The place tough. Once somebody say, go back to school, get PhD, get degree and all of them something there. We don't think say everybody brain good and can go back to school and get PhD and get degree and all of them something there. Everybody brain not set up so. And a reality that everybody brain no set up so we go back to school and go get PhD and go get associate degree and all of them things there. Somehow we are real hard people where we brain can't click like that in a school. We have to do real job, construction, factory and all of them sitting there. We have to survive too. We have to survive too, you know. So what you not try to tell me say, if we don't get big degree in a big job, we don't now go reap the benefit of a country, we don't work so hard and pay on the tax, you know? That makes sense? Oh, that makes sense. Listen me, man, you see? One thing for me, you know. You have to learn from certain things. Make this Windrush situation be an example. Make this little Rasta lady, God bless her soul, because she pass off now. And she pass off more than likely from the stress and the depression that she have to go through with all of them things there. Imagine you living somewhere all of your life and then all of a sudden you say you'll get deported. The first thing I wonder, say, deport go away. Where will not send me back to? Jamaica? Me left there from here 10 years old. I don't even know where Jamaica is. I don't even remember the house where I used to live. I don't even remember the community at 10 years old. How much money can I remember from 10 years old if them never go back to Jamaica? And look how Jamaica changed. Jamaica, which you know 50 years ago, is not the same Jamaica. Remember me tell you that. Even a man not go there 10 years, when he go in surprise, the thing totally different. Remember when me tell you that. So when you go take up somebody now, we're in our country, work and contribute to that country meaningfully for over 50 years. And you're taking back, say you're going to send him back in country of origin. To who? To what? Him not know nothing. That person is more British than Jamaican. And that's the thing, you know. That person is more British than how that person is Jamaican. But it come like them not look funny that the way there. Remember, you know, me say me not like touching on this thing of slavery and all of them things. Because we know all of the history, and that is a rat hole when you go down it now go down. And we like look back at them the pain and them the struggle. We like move forward. Because I like be with the positive and looking ahead and bright for brighter days. I like go back down them rat hole there. But if you were to go back down those rat hole people, all it brings is pain and anger. You hear me I say, because it goes to show that over the years it's always been the same. But things have just been modernized now of how them use you and abuse you in the same way. You get me? You come here, it's no different, you know, because like me say, watch you now. You come here, you pay how much $1,000. Some people pay 5,000, some people pay 6,000, and all of them something there. Then you have other visas, skilled visas for skilled worker, visa for care worker, and all of these things. Before, the right thing was, if you're going to come here and work for our country and contribute so much and dedicate yourself so much to our country, helping out the senior citizens in the care home and all of these things, we will give you the opportunity to bring your family, your immediate dependent, which would be your child or your children and your partner, if you're not married. But now, them are cut off that. That means say, all we need you to do is come back and work and go back to your yard. Or else you can't put that for me. We don't put you one different way for me. If we go stop the dependency, them from come. We don't just tell me say we just need to come back and work and go back on the yard. We don't want to live here. Just come work and that's what we want to for. We shout at them the people in the working industry. So we just need to come here, come work and go back on the yard. I don't want to tell me say I don't use them, I use people. Eh? See it now, biometric permit I go stop. Everything I will go digital. So they can lock down anything and put anything on your record at any time. You can't stay there, man. You can't stay. I tell you already, you know. J-Progress now beat round the corner and beat round the bush, you know. The other country them make things like better for immigrant. Whether or not Canada you can't carry your picnic when you're 18 or not, or over 21. You still can't carry your mother and your father. Grandparents visa did a whole heap of things did they. Where they can go and live and work in the country. So what will not try to tell me say? Not with the UK. The UK, your loan and your loan uncle. And just make sure you come and work and pay your tax and take care of who them encourage not to work. don't want to take we for idiot. No way, man. A real thing. Let me tell you this, man. See if you don't come to a country like this, the UK, you don't go see for yourself. 3/4 of the working class people them weren't born in the UK. I want to check that if you don't think I lie, me and tell you. You don't do no research. 3/4 of the working class people in the UK weren't born in the UK. They weren't born citizens. They must come here and get citizenship or something, but they come from somewhere else. And them are the working class people in this country. Enough of the citizens them live off a benefit and now work because the UK not encourage them to work. First thing them do, then give them free house. Then take care of them pitney. Then don't encourage them to work and give them even money to go spend. So why you don't want to work? Me not wrong them either, you know. Don't think me wrong them, you know. Because if you don't want me to work, why me go work? When me go to work, me worse off than if me did make you take care of me. Then me better me no bother work, then I just make you take care of me. Ask anybody who know them things. Them not encourage them to do no work, me people. They don't. Them encourage them to just live on the system and who pay for the system. The same immigrant them when they make the environment so hostile for them. Everything hard for them. Everything difficult for them. Me not fi beat around the bush, me not go around the corner. And still not be ungrateful for your place where you live in and work and live and survive. But you know, ask yourself the question. How much people at 50, 55 years old now want to spend the rest of them life in this country, the UK, and dead ya? No! When a man reach 50 or a woman reach 50, I left him one left. Even their own citizen them, one left. And it's not just because of the coal. It's because of everything else. Believe me when me tell you that. Enough of them immigrants right now. If them did have money right now, them not Tanya. It's not a place where you don't want to Tanya and say me live and dead, I love it so much. No. It's a place where a man come and look at money. From him reach 50 years old, 55 years old, he want to go back in the yard or wherever he come from. Because them a place in itself has stress. You hear me I say? Ask. Everybody can comment in the comment section. 3/4 of the people now who have gotten to 50, 55 years old, they are more thinking now about leaving the UK and go live somewhere else. And it's not just because of the coal. It's because sometimes of the policy and everything and all of that. You live a better life. Because the pension will never give you in this country. You are going to struggle, you are going to live like a cross same way. Compared to if you live somewhere else, you get a better standard of life. You hear me I say? People left yesterday, they even live in America. They even live in Canada. But them just don't want to stay here. Believe me when me tell you that, because of the policy and the system. Worst thing, them try everything. A lot of countries do it, yes, but them want to push back the pension age even more. Say people are live too long. What you mean people living too long? I work all of my life. What you mean say me I live long? You should have glad say me I live long can spend some of my pension money when me I work all of my life. But tell you the problem. They want you to work all of your life and the pension money stack up this and they don't have to pay it out to you. It's that simple. Why make you think them when dig for the people them in the Windrush, the older people them, and I send them back at the yard? Because they reach a pension age now. And if me send you home illegally, me don't need to give no pension. Because all along they know that they have been working in the country and working legally. But when they reach pension age now, we could get rid of them. Because these people is going to cost us too much money. Come on, no man. We will have no idiot, so. We will have we can't be fools, so. And when we hear people come and say, oh, they gave them the opportunity to come and sort out the paperwork and sort out the status. If you can send me a letter at my yard because you know of me, that I came here within certain time, and I am a part of the Windrush generation and certain thing, and or the time when I came here I didn't need a visa to come in the country. If you can send me a letter to sort out that, why you couldn't send me a letter to come see you guys? Because just like the Rasta lady, when she got that letter, she went into the Home Office. So if they had sent a letter to come into the Home Office and when we are giving you an appointment day to come into the Home Office, come and fill out all of these and sort out all of these, people would have done it. But the effort weren't there because guess what? Through them young and strong and I work and I make money and I pay them bills and I pay them tax, everything alright. But then get all now when you go tap work and want pension, me I go get rid of one. People, listen. J Progress now go around the corner, you hear? And remember, who willing to talk, we talk. Right? But who want to be biased and sugarcoat things will do it. But remember, me tell you this. It is not an easy road in the United Kingdom for an immigrant. It is not an easy road. And when you come here, for the 5 to 10 years, whichever route you are on, you're going to have to pay your way all the way through. And you are not entitled to any public benefit. Right? And even when you take up your picnic, come over here, certain things they are not even entitled to, you have to pay them way through as well. You get me? So people, me just show you this because I want to work on the eye because I know that's what J Progress Entertainment is about. Who want take it? Take it. Who want left it? Left it. Who want rebel against it? Rebel against it. Who want sugarcoat it? Sugarcoat it. But guess what? We don't have to ask nobody nothing about J Progress and nobody now have to tell you no. Because who know J Progress channel know how me go to work already. I want J Progress and no other. Believe me. People, right this on me I cut it. It's bad enough that me now go get fever. We now get fever. See? When me done cook. But guess what? Next time, me tell you when me I cook already. Me I cook some Jamaica national dish. White rice and tin mackerel. But me I go throw some squash in it. You know what I say? And cook down some beans and the tin mackerel and all of them things there. But until then, me people, we have to cut it short. Yeah man, me like when you want more of my content. Me like cut some of them short for you want more. So when you tell a friend to come over to the channel. Because you don't know when me coming with next. Remember, you know, a 1J Progress. 15K by March and we know we can do it. Believe.